Hello, my name is Alan Hackman, and I will be discussing one-to-one the future of our school's technology plan. I will briefly cover the mission and vision of this program. I will go into more detail regarding the goals. I will share a link that gives you our full budget, and I will close with the purpose of the program and how it benefits the students. Our mission is to expand the educational experience of students through innovative technological advancement, creative transformation, social media, and prominent collaboration. The expected vision is to effectively integrate technology to maximize student learning and teacher effectiveness by empowering our learning community to compete in a global society. Also to ensure that we are reaching our community through every social avenue. There are key elements that promote success of this program. First, the infrastructure needs to be in place. We need to update the broadband capacity to handle the load that we're going to be putting on the servers. We need to select programs and software that are going to enhance student engagement and effective learning strategies. We must train the faculty to be able to utilize both the hardware and the software to promote learning. Most importantly, we have to secure funding to really ensure that this program is off and running to its full capacity. The devices will be given out in grades 3, 6, and 9. After 4 years, all students in grades 3 through 12 will have a device. Professional development is another key area. Librarians will be trained as media specialists to ensure an ongoing professional development plan is in place for each school. Professional development activities will be both full day and hourly trainings offered throughout the school year. This will give multiple opportunities on an ongoing basis to ensure that the faculty and staff are up to date and using the technology for the desired purpose. This link gives you a very good look at the detailed budget over the next 4 years that support this program. The one-to-one initiative is the backbone of this plan, and it is designed to prepare students for life beyond graduation by building 21st century skills, by promoting problem solving, by promoting critical thinking, and fostering collaboration with both faculty and students.